what's up and welcome back to Hayah's Hive. Today I'm going to try Russian piping tips for the first time. So let's get going. These are the piping tips that I'm using today. And this is how each of the piping tips work. So first I'm making the whipping cream. I have already made a video on whipping cream before, so you can just check that out on the top where the arrow is pointing. So now I have finished making the whipping cream. Now I'm going to color the whipping cream. I have colored it blue, red, yellow and green. The colors are so vibrant. It reminds me of Holi, the Holi festival of colors. So now I'm putting the Russian piping tips into the piping bag. So I've put it inside. Now I have left some space of the piping bag and I'm going to cut off the end of the piping bag and then push the piping tip so that it looks like this. Now I'm going to fill the piping bag with whipping cream. So to make it easier, I'm putting the piping bag with the piping tip into a cup and then filling it up. You can use just one color or use two colors for a blending effect. I want the blending effect, so I'm using two colors, white and yellow. I'm putting white on the sides of the cup only. And yellow whipping cream in the middle. So it will be a nice gradient of yellow and white. So now I'm just trying out the piping tip on butter paper. I suggest using anything other than butter paper like a plate because the whipping cream sticks to the butter paper. So these are some roses that I tried out. Now I'm going to ice the cupcakes. So I'm using some white whipping cream first on the cupcake as a base coat. I have filled all the piping bags with all the colors. And now I'm using the blue piping bag. So first I'm trying it out on a plate. And this is how it looks. Now I'm using it on the cupcake. Before we continue, if you like this video, please press the like button, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon next to it and select all. And back to the video. So I finished using the blue and now I'm using the green piping bag. Now this piping tip is a very small tip and it's different from the Russian tips. I'm using it for the leaves while the blue is for the flowers. Now I'm just taking some edible pearls and putting it on the cupcake. So this is how the cupcake looks. So now I'll be doing the same thing with yellow, the one which I mixed yellow and white. So now I'm decorating the cupcake with the piping tip. I'm making yellow roses. I have finished using the yellow and the white. And now I'm just showing it on this plate. Now, since the yellow roses are done, I'm using the small tip with the green whipping cream for the leaves, just like before. So I am done with the leaves. Now I'm just showing that you can make different types of leaves with this piping tip. So this is the final cupcake. So we have 2 cupcakes until now. Next is the red one. So this is also used to make roses. This is how it looks. And now I'm using it on the cupcake. So I finished the red roses and now I'm using the same piping tip for the green leaves. And this is the final cupcake. This is how the first 4 piping tips look like. Now I'm using a chocolatey purple color for the sides and I'm putting white in the middle. So this is how it looks. Now I'm just putting some sprinkles on top to make it look beautiful. So this is how it looks. Now I'm just showing this piping tip on the plate. Here are 4 of the cupcakes: yellow, purple, red and blue. So I made 2 more cupcakes and one of them is the yellow cupcake in this photo. And the other is this cupcake. So here are all the piping tips and the flowers or leaves. 4 of these piping tips are used for flowers, while the small one right now, it's used for the leaves. So that was my first time using Russian piping tips. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye!